We're the BAMPFA Student Committee, a group of energetic, artistic, and motivated students. We promote the local student creative community and work to connect you with the Berkeley Art Museum and Pacific Film Archive. We come from all majors, backgrounds, and interests which contribute to our broad array of programs, such as compiling and publishing zines featuring student artwork, curating pop-up exhibitions with the museum collection, writing our own blog, organizing an annual student film festival, and hosting our most popular event, Cinespin, where student DJs and musicians play a live score to a silent film. If you want to hear about upcoming events, receive film recommendations, and stay updated on ways to get involved in the museum and Bay Area arts, sign up for our email list on our website, bamfa-sc.com. If you're interested in becoming more involved and joining the committee, we accept applications on our website. All applicants will be accepted. As a committee member, you'll collaborate with BAMPFA art and film curators, gain professional experience in the arts, and have behind-the-scenes access to the museum. Follow us at BAMPFA SC on Instagram and Facebook.